Sneakers in the Fox TV. Mr. Red King, I appreciate the package. I'm finally getting around to opening it up. I've been waiting for these sneakers. I told y'all in the last Sneaker Fox TV that Mr. Red King, my boy, sent these over to me, and I have been waiting for these, been trying to find these, and I finally have them. It completes my set. I'm gonna show you the other sneaker in a little bit, but here you go. These are the Puma RS 100 Animal. I love the Puma RS 100 model, so comfortable. So let's just get into the sneaker. Let's open this box. Woo! There you go. The Puma RS 100. RS stands for running system. And here you go. The Puma 1S 100 Animals. So dope, so dope. Look at that. These are clean. I appreciate you, Mr. Red King. That's my boy. Appreciate it, man. Look at the inside. These are clean right here. I think I might be rocking these tomorrow. Alright, I'll be right back, and I'm going to show you the other sneaker this goes with. These Sneakers in the Fox TV, here we go again. Here is the high top model. And this is the low top models of the Puma Animals. These actually came out way before Air Max put out their animal prints. And personally, I think these are doper. I said dopey, but I meant doper. But dopey, I guess that's a new word I just started. These are more dopey than the actual Adidas models, in my opinion. Y'all let me know if you agree with me or not. It's kind of the same, man. The inside is the same, except you got the zebra print all inside the high top. On the back, that little cheetah print back there. You got a cheetah print on this, on the tag. Here's the back of this. And here's a front, here's a toe. Different laces. I might move these laces into here, honestly. When I wear them, I might switch up the laces. Or just keep the yellow laces in there. Let's look at the side of the shoe. There's the side. Bottoms. Complete different bottoms. Inside. I personally like the low tops. The low tops have these a little bit easier to find the high tops. If y'all want some of these high tops, I can definitely get y'all the high tops. But these low top ones, the RS 100, these are a lot harder to find. But I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all this. I'm out. With the backpack, before you play a nigga, you gon' need Affleck. I'm never scared, Shawnee, you ain't gotta ask that. It's red clay to the grave, nigga, bet that. 4 stacks just to get away 4 days. Me and my bitch laid up.